Kenwood KMM021 QT Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine Expertise in the kitchen since 1947. The Kenwood Chef Major is designed for the culinary passionate and adored by world-class chefs. With its supreme power and a variety of optional attachments, your Chef Major will always deliver a rewarding cooking experience. Feel more inspired and creative than ever, confident to master new tasks. The electronic variable speed control allows ingredients to gradually incorporate before mixing them at high speeds, so they stay in the bowl and not on your countertop. The Kenwood Chef Major features 4 attachment hubs around the machine with different speeds, allowing you to customize your machine with a multitude of optional attachments. A European-designed motor can power through any task, delivering more torque for the lightest mousses or heaviest dough loads. Dual motor ventilation points allow hot air to escape, preventing the motor from overheating to preserve the life of the motor. The Chef Major includes 3 stainless steel, professional quality bowl tools, K-beater, power whisk and dough hook. Each tool has been designed for high-performance mixing to deliver perfect results with any recipe. The Kenwood Chef Major kitchen machine's space-saving design makes this an all-in-one premium culinary center in the kitchen. European-designed motor with twice the power of ordinary stand mixers delivers the right amount of torque and handles the heaviest dough loads. Dual motor ventilation prolongs motor life. Kenwood's electronic variable speed control allows ingredients to gradually incorporate before mixing them at high speeds, so they stay in the bowl and not on your countertop. 4 built-in speed hubs allow you to add Kenwood attachments. 7 QT solid stainless steel work bowl with rugged handles, easy to remove from the machine. Dishwasher safe, along with all the tools, includes 3 professional quality, stainless steel bowl tools, power whisk, dough hook, the unique K-beater, specially designed for maximum mixing performance. Warranty like no other comes with a 5-year warranty on the powerful motor Kenwood KMM021 QT Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.